Hey guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. Karishma Attar here. And in today's video, we are going to dive into the game-changing topic, that is how to get placed in a tech job without a formal tech education. Yes, you heard it right. We are going to understand how the skills and the projects that you have worked on has taken over your formal education degrees in tech industry. And over 72% of managers have confirmed this thing, that they always consider skill and projects worked on by the candidates over the formal degrees or education they have for their tech jobs. Today's video has got four major agenda. Agenda number one is understanding the changing landscape of tech industry in 2024. Agenda number two is what are the major tech roles that you can get hired into without a formal education, wherein I have also talked about the salary for those roles. Agenda number three is how to learn and get certified for these roles from the best institutes. Agenda number four, which is the most important agenda of today's video, is how to hunt for the right job and how to utilize the networking skills to land into the right job in 2024. And for sticking around until the end of the video, I am going to share a bonus with you all, wherein I am going to talk about the free and the paid certifications, and most importantly, getting certified from the top reputed organizations like IBM, Google, for landing into this tech roles. So before we dive into the first agenda of today's video, let me tell you, this channel is dedicated to getting you through right degrees, education and career, and to land into the best professional prospects of career where you can be. And if you feel this video was worth the efforts, do hit that like button. Otherwise, leave a feedback in the comment below to help me understand how I can improve more on this channel. Alright, so the first agenda of today's video is understanding the changing tech landscape in 2024. There are two major parameters to understand while we understand this changing landscape. Parameter number one is how you are hired, and parameter number two is the evolution of remote working thanks to COVID-19. Now, for parameter number one, over 17% of increment in the job opportunities in tech industries has been seen according to the LinkedIn research, and over 40% of these roles do not require formal education. Instead, the hiring managers focus majorly on the skills and the projects worked upon by the candidates. For parameter number two, wherein we talk about the remote working skills in 2024, COVID-19 has proven to be blessing in disguise, wherein the comfortability level with remote working has shot up majorly in all the countries and the world population. And thanks to this, you can get hired in the top tech cities like Bangalore, Delhi, Hyderabad in India, and internationally in London, San Francisco, or Silicon Valley, sitting at any part of the globe. Now, moving on to the second agenda of today's video, we are going to look at the major tech roles evolving without getting a formal education. And especially, I have focused on the tech roles which will help you accelerate quickly in your career with only using the right certification, skills, and projects. Most important tech role evolving rapidly in today's world that we are going to talk about is digital marketing. As you all know, every single business, right from a small scale industry to a large scale businesses, they need a right digital marketing expert. And if you look at the certifications and the courses available in the market, they are humongous. However, I have shortlisted few good ones for y'all and listed it in the description of this particular video. Now, most important thing, while you get into a digital marketing role, you have to make sure that you are working on the right projects. So for working on the right projects, you can land up into the right projects by getting through these websites like Upwork, Fiverr.com, and few others which I have also listed in the description below. Let's understand the current trend for digital marketing specialists. So in 2024, the demand for digital marketing specialists has surged by 15%. The salary range in India for fresher is somewhere in between 3 lakhs to 8 lakhs, and in US it is $50,000 to $85,000. Now, what is the timeline for learning these skills? It is majorly from 4 to 6 months of right guidance and practice you need to learn this skill of digital marketing. Now moving on to the second most in demand job role for tech industry, which is growing rapidly at the rate of 13% per year, that is UI UX designer. Now as we all know, we are evolving completely into digital world. Every single startup, every single large scale business, they have to get into digital world, and hence the presentation, the way your website looks, the way your product looks is extremely and crucially important, which completely depends upon UI UX designers. Now let's understand the salary range in India and salary range internationally for UI UX designers. The salary range in India is around 4 lakh to 10 lakh for freshers, and salary range in internationally is around from $70,000 to $110,000. Now, timeline to get ready for this role of UI UX designer is 6 to 9 months of rigorous hands-on practice with the right institute for certification, and also most importantly getting good projects on your portfolio. Now moving on to the third most in demand job in tech industry currently is being a product manager. Now understanding the salary range of product managers in India, it is around 10 lakhs to 25 lakhs annually in India, and internationally it can go up to $140,000. Okay, understanding the timeline to learn and develop the skill of a good product manager. So when I'm talking about the timeline, please keep this in mind that I am talking about the certification, plus you have to work on good projects to get it on your portfolios to crack a good job. When I talk about the timeline, it is somewhere around 9 months to 12 months to get this skill and certification. Fourth rapidly growing job opportunity across the globe in tech industry is being a data analyst. Now data analyst is the first role to get into tech industry, and obviously you can keep on upgrading yourself to be data scientist and so on. The demand for data analyst role is growing by 20% year on year basis. In India, any fresher as a data analyst can earn somewhere between 6 lakhs to 12 lakhs, whereas internationally it can go around $60,000 to $90,000. And to get job ready for the role of data analyst, you need to invest around 6 to 8 months of preparation time, along with getting the right certifications from open source certifying companies like IBM, Google, all of these. Of course, I have linked all the courses in the description below. Now, moving on to the next and the third agenda for today's video is how to build a roadmap to get into these roles. Now, the roadmap includes 3 major parameters. The first major parameter is your certification and training. The second parameter that we are going to focus on are boot camps, internships, and networking. And the third important parameter that we are going to talk about is how to build a portfolio. Only if you adhere to these 3 parameters in the right format, you will be able to land to the right job. With only certification or only portfolio or only networking, it won't ever work. It should be combined in the right way and proportion with the right skill set to land into a right job. Now, for online courses and certification, I have listed down courses for each roles in the description box, so you can directly check that out over there. Now, when I talk about the boot camps and networking, you can use the platforms like LinkedIn extensively. I'll be coming up shortly with a video on how to upgrade your LinkedIn profile and how to stand out as a student on LinkedIn platform to make sure that the right person reaches out to you and you are recognized in the crowd of millions of people. And the third most important thing is building a portfolio. Now again, we use various platforms like Behance and various websites wherein we make sure our portfolios are saved, and it is very easy for us to share those portfolios with different recruiters on different platforms. Now moving on to the fourth most important agenda, that is your networking and job hunting in 2024 for these roles. Now, the first most important part in networking is understanding which platforms can be used for networking. I would highly recommend using the LinkedIn platform one, reaching out to your right recruiters through LinkedIn. Second platform could be Twitter. You can reach out to people directly, the right top level management people directly through Twitter. The third and the most important platform, although this cannot be considered whole and soul as recruitment, but yes, building your social media channels like YouTube, especially not Instagram, YouTube specifically is very important because that will help you get that recognition amongst all the people across the globe. So these are few networking platforms listed. Of course, I'll be coming up with more videos on how to build your profile and stand out on each of these platforms. And the next part is networking locally. Use the apps like Eventbrite and Meetups. These are the mobile apps, or you can also check them out on Google, that these apps get you through the list of events in your locality, in your area, and thus you can interact with people in these areas. Third part of being aware of what are the job opportunities in these sectors, you can check out, of course, you must be aware of Naukri.com. That is quite cliched and conventional way of getting through a job opportunity. But yes, some latest job opportunities, especially understanding and exploring different startups in these industry. You can check out Angel List, which is another platform for exploring job opportunities. Next, you can check out We Work Remotely for exploring remote working opportunities. And if you want to be a freelancer and build your profile, you can also check out Upwork. You can also check out Fiverr.com. And something that I personally recommend is join these specific Facebook groups, because although on Upwork and Fiverr right now, I personally feel the traffic is so high that your profile might not stand out immediately. But if you join the respective Facebook groups across the Facebook website, definitely you can come across a lot of freelance opportunities for these roles. Now, we are going to wrap up today's video. If you have liked today's video, do not forget to hit that subscribe and like button. And most importantly, get the right mindset, attitude, skill set, and get started to get the right job in the industry you would love working in. Until then, stay tuned. Signing off for today, Karishma.